Stop costly repairs before they start. Small issues like plumbing leaks, faulty wiring, or foundation cracks can quickly become major headaches. Watch for signs like flickering lights, musty smells, or cracks in walls and floors. Early detection can prevent costly damage, protect your home's value, and ensure your family's safety. Stay proactive. Regularly check your home or schedule a professional home inspection to catch problems before they escalate. Don't wait for small problems to turn into big repairs. Schedule a home maintenance inspection today and protect your investment.